All the water went underneath the paving stones.
But underneath my roof or the paving?
I guess the water's dripping down into the pool room. I know, we finally shut the water off.
No, it's broken. That wouldn't
exactly.
Can we lift this up together? And this is all up.
All because there's water under it.
And sand, like it's filled. It's underneath the roof. You know what that means?
Yeah.
It's really big. Is that water shut down? Fully. It ruined my roof. The original concrete deck surrounding the pool was broken and old, and it really needed to be chopped up, removed, so we can stop the leaks into the garage below. So we chopped up all of the concrete, piled it up, brought it out, and put down a vapor barrier with a torch. Then we put down tapered insulation. We used glue above the vapor barrier. After that, we used weights to hold down the insulation so the glue spreads below and it adheres really well. After that, we put another insulation board down in glue, and then we put a base sheet, modified bitumen torch down roof, and then a cap sheet, modified bitumen torch down roof. After that, we installed liquid flashing. Liquid flashing is like a deck coating, and you lay in gauze or like a fleece, and as it lays down, when it goes into the liquid, it reinforces and allows the liquid to expand and contract. It's around the perimeter of the entire pool, the perimeter of the coping stones, the walls, and any penetration like steel or fence posts. The liquid finishes the whole product, and it actually gives a 20-year, no dollar limit warranty on the roof system. And also, the penetrations of the fence are your weak point. So what we do is we allow it to expand and contract, and when we flash the wall and the curbs, you really help the roof last. When the liquid was dry, we laid down something called a drainage mat. A drainage mat is got all these fibers in between, and it allows water to flow freely below the surface. It catches the dirt, and it also protects the roof from what we put above it. What we put above it was a pedestal and pavers. These are 2 foot by 2 foot wide pavers and about 2 inches thick. Each paver is about 100 pounds. So this drainage mat and these pedestals, they don't only level out the pavers, but they distribute the weight evenly on all 4 corners. When you have an outdoor space that is used frequently, you want to make sure that the roof is protected. They give you durable options of a walking surface. One, obviously, would be putting concrete. If it can't handle the weight, then you would need something lightweight as well. The other option is to use pavers. They make all sorts of pavers that are heavy and durable and light and movable. The option of using a paver over a roof gives you flexibility to maintain the areas below and still have the protection of a walking surface. Just make sure that the water can flow freely below and that it is installed plumb so you don't cause a tripping hazard. The option of a paver is really good if you're going to walk on your roof surface. And something like this off the water around a pool is a great option in lieu of something permanent like concrete or a built wood deck. So yes, it takes a while to level the pedestals, shim them the right way, and make sure the entire surface is flat. After that, the water can flow freely in between the pavers and through the drainage mat and go down the drain. The difference between having a solid concrete deck and a paver is like night and day when it comes to maintenance. So if you want to find, fix, and prevent roof leaks on a surface where you can handle the weight of a paver, it is so much better than concrete. So we put this on, and then later, a pipe burst underneath the roof surface. It's bad.
There's all water underneath it, mixed with
You're
sand.
killing me. And this is all up.
All because there's water under it.
And sand, like it's filled. I need to bring my guys here. I need to do this. I don't want to do this half-assed. Let me lift it for real. When this pipe burst, it went underneath the roof, all the way underneath the vapor barrier, and ruined the entire area. Because we have modified bitumen, the water was trapped to one area. So after the pipe burst, We removed the pavers, we removed all of the roof, we removed the drainage mat, and we got down to the concrete deck. On this one area, we repaired it, we dried it, installed new vapor barrier, new tapered insulation, new drainage mat, and then we put the pavers back and we repaired that pipe. Things happen, and it's how you prevent them or the easiest access. If this was a concrete deck poured, we would have had to chop up the concrete deck to get to access to this area. So thank God, at least we had pavers to remove. So we put the whole area back and they were ready for the summer to get back in the pool, and it wasn't as bad as it could have been. So a paver system is a great way to find, fix, and prevent roof leaks.